Another episode of our Dog Days of Summer 2026. I present to you the Elote Dog. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Let's start making those incredible Elote dogs. First thing we're going to do is get the lime mayo out of the way. And you won't believe how easy this is. You might. Okay, hey, look, a lime. We're going to cut that and juice it. Now we're going to add some mayo. Of course, we're using Kewpie, and then a pinch of salt and pepper. We'll get that all mixed up. And I'm going to chuck this in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it. Got a whole mess of grandkids over, so I'm cooking them just some regular hot dogs. Now it's time for the next step for our Elote dogs. Here I have some sweet frozen corn that I have cooked about 75% of the way. We're going to get these down on the griddle, get a little bit of char on those kernels. Just want to get them good and heated up and a little bit of char on them. These are absolutely perfect for this. These halo spatulas with the scoops on them. If you're making fried rice or doing something like this, it is absolutely perfect for it. All right, the corn is still going. Let's get our bacon-wrapped Costco dogs down. Now, when you're wrapping these with bacon, if you're using toothpicks to keep the bacon on, do yourself a favor and try and keep all those toothpicks on the same plane to make it easier for you to get these turned. Because if they're all at different points, you're not going to be able to turn the dog. And you don't want that. No. As those dogs are cooking, I'm going to cut a bunch of lime wedges here, so you have a lime wedge with each Elote dog. I am liking the looks of my corn, so we're going to get that into a container and set that aside. Now once I have two sides of these cooked, I'm going to go ahead and pull the toothpicks out. Probably burning myself a lot, but it's worth it for good food, right? And hopefully that bacon will shrink and keep on the dog. Now that the dogs are well on their way, we'll get some buns toasted. Instead of using butter, I like using Kewpie mayo. I think you get a much better toast that way. Toothpick extraction complete. I feel pretty successful about that. Now I'm going to hit all those buns with a little bit of that lime mayo we made up. Okay, let's get this constructed. We got a toasted bun. We got the lime mayo. On goes the bacon wrapped dog. Our corn. A little cojita. Crispy bacon bits. We want to use the big side for this. Crispy jalapenos. And to top it all off, a little bit of fresh cilantro, because you got to have your vegetables. And then a slice of lime for some freshness that the user can apply as they wish. All right, let me get things together and then we'll be back with the director's judgment. It is all put together. It is almost as pretty as the director, but not quite. All right. Oh, and she's going for the fresh lime juice. That was a heroic bite.
Very good. I like it.
All right. Would you come to my hot dog cart?
Mm-hmm. I would. It's really good.
All right.
Flavor.
Fantastic. There you go. Elote dogs. You want to do something different? This is it. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.